That's it.
Pardon me?
Charge you for the service call. That's it.
Design half the houses in this tract and in Rossmore. This is May. Okay, May.
Now, Zanaki Nawad Solar.
Why?
What designer
No, this is special ink. It just ran out of
Okay,
space.
Farzona Homidova. Yep.
Is there more words?
No, that's it.
Okay.
بیجان تیز بنایز با کار دیگریم در دیر کدیستم آخه.
What?
I need your sign also.
Sign what?
Yeah, for the here
That's
because
good. That's good.
yeah.
Oven. Do anything,
Don't use this
I
kind
don't,
of.
I can't.
All
I don't
right.
understand anything like.
Okay, just put your finger here. Yep. All right.
It's
That's
gone.
fine. That's fine.
See, I broke it already.
No, you're good.
Get
Do
it?
you
I want to get a book and read about
you
it.
really wanted to go there and to traveling?
Why not? Oh.
So you have to be in our country, Tajikistan, in one of the most.
Write it on.
Yes, of course, I can write it. Okay.
He's asking for something that costs money.
And to Zizana Americanita, Tajikistan
Here's a pencil.
Roimeknem.
That-
Yeah,
maybe
it
you-
works.
Kind of. You gotta be kind. I
Okay.
would like to find out about it.
Yeah, find this country, Tajik.
What is the special thing I want to look for the most when I'm there?
Dushanbe.
And is there something? What your country? What is,
We have.
What is what's food like? What like is some food that's something is.
What's like a traditional foods? We cook a traditional foods like pilav, like what else? What you bugum kurutop.
I don't know what that is, but I want.
But you have to try it, you know.
Carrot top,
So yeah, try
carrot top.
pilav, and
I work all the time,
kurutop.
and then I take off 2 weeks at least, and I go.
Traditional.
Okay.
Traditional food.
What's the best time of the year to go? Not when the most traffic.
I
don't want
in the summer is one of the best time, I think.
because I don't want to be around a bunch of other people. I just want to get to. Want to be around the people of that.